Welcome to TRACERT channel. In this video, I will show you how to use TRACERT to troubleshoot TCP/IP problems in Windows PC. TRACERT provides a map of how data on the internet travels from your computer to its destination. It works by sending Internet Control Message Protocol packets, and every router involved in transferring the data gets these packets. The ICMP packets provide information about whether the routers used in the transmission are able to effectively transfer the data. The syntax is TRACERT space target name. This line is optional. The target name specifies the destination, identified either by IP address or host name. In this example, the first one would be the local router IP address. And from there the data will take multiple hops through your internal network and out through your internet service provider and over the internet, before finally reaching google.com. Looking at the output, the first column shows the hop count. The next three columns show the amount of time it took data to go from the source, typically your computer, to that hop and back. This is measured in milliseconds. When running the TRACERT command, you are sending data to each hop 3 times. The first column is the amount of time it took the first time, the second is for the second attempt, and the third is for the last attempt. When everything is running properly, the round-trip time for each attempt should be similar. The final column is where the name, IP address, or other information about the hop is displayed. The information displayed here is determined by the settings on the hop itself. Some devices are set to only display their IP addresses. Others will also display the device name or other information. In some cases, the owner of the device has set it up so that it will not reveal any information at all. The most common issue you will see with the TRACERT is a timeout response, which is represented by an asterisk. These happen quite frequently and for a variety of different reasons. In the following example, you can see multiple hops have asterisks when attempting to run a TRACERT to google.com. When you see an asterisk, it will mean one of the following things. Single asterisk on a hop, this means that the request timed out on just one of the 3 attempts. This can be a sign that there is an intermittent problem at that hop. 3 asterisks, then failure. If you see all 3 attempts at a hop have asterisks and then the TRACERT errors out, it means that the hop is completely down. 3 asterisks, then success. If you see 3 attempts at a hop failing but then the rest of the TRACERT continues without an issue, that is actually not a problem at all. This simply means that the device at that hop is configured not to respond to pings or TRACERT, so the attempt times out. There are several command line options that you can use with TRACERT, although the options are not usually necessary for standard troubleshooting. D. Specifies to not resolve addresses to host names. H. Specifies the maximum number of hops to search for the target. J. Specifies loose source route along the host list. W. Specifies waits timeout in milliseconds for each reply. For example, to check the path from your device to google.com without resolving the addresses to host name, type TRACERT /d space google.com, then hit enter. And to set the amount of time that the command will wait at a hop before timing out to 2 seconds, type TRACERT /w space 2000 space then the target name. The default is 4 seconds, equivalent to 4000 milliseconds. This covers how to use TRACERT in Windows PC. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.